In this video we will discuss about how much does it cost to launch a dropshipping store. No doubt dropshipping has lowered the barrier to entry to starting a business. You can coordinate with suppliers from around the world and sell their products without ever holding inventory. It's an awesome step. So awesome, in fact, that people can get carried away dreaming of a six-figure businesses that does not require any investment. The thing is, starting a successful business has never been free, and that's still the case. The most stripped down version of a dropshipping store would include a Shopify subscription, a Deezer subscription, e-com platform out there, and we have going to deserts because it's the best aliexpress dropshipping tool. Good news, Shopify has a free 14 day trial. After that it will cost $29 per month, but at least you can get rolling for free. So Shopify covers the store part of the equations. Now for the dropshipping part, Desert has a free basic plan. You will not be able to scale with it. There is a 3000 products cap, but you can at least get set up before forking over your credit card. Eventually you will need to upgrade to the $19.19 advanced plan to access features like automatic inventory updates and bundle mapping. If you have serious about dropshipping, then there is one more must buy: a domain. You can easily buy a new domain through Shopify. You will be asked about it during your trial, and it will be an annually payment of $14. The awesome thing about dropshipping is that you never handle the products you have selling. While this might solve one of the biggest challenges of commerce, it introduces a new set of considerations, namely, you don't control the quality of the products, the timelines of delivery, or the appearance of the packaging. This gives you a chance to investigate the suppliers after you place your order. For example, you can follow up any asks. When can I expect my order to arrive? And when it does arrive, you can consider whether it meets your expectations. It is defective in any way. Once you have your products on hand, you can use them to generate interest in your store. Show them off. Take pictures of people holding them. So, how much will eating your dropshipping vegetables cost you? Well, you don't need to buy every variations of every product. If you sell yellow, red, and the blue dresses from the same supplier, you have probably fine order just one color, but it's definitely a good idea to order at least one sample from every supplier whose products you plan to offer at your store.